The text is from the point of view of Hugo.
A man who saw the race. I stopped to watch the hot air balloon race. Balloons in all different colors and patterns were soaring, beautiful, peaceful, and peacefully.
Good. Soaring, so flying. Okay.
In the sky they floated.
Great. Yeah, they floated gracefully
along together, and the direction of the wind. What I loving, lovely.
Lovely. Okay, lovely is an adjective. Lovely. What's that? Salmon. It's a kind of fish.
Salmon. Lovely.
Adjective.
Lovely.
Lovely means
Attractive
or beautiful,
especially
in a
graceful way.
She was wearing a lovely dress.
Lovely.
What's that?
Wonderful. Beautiful.
Okay. Don't make that sound. Okay. Can I spell it?
Lovely. Lovely. Adjective.
Okay.
What a lovely sight. This text is from an article and the
Addison. Hugo. I think it's just a place.
Times.
Okay.
The
Richmond
hot air balloon race was exciting. The balloons speed.
Is that past tense?
Pronouncenames.com. Addison.
Addison.
Edison.
Okay. Is that? What's that?
Lovely.
She was wearing a lovely dress.
Okay. Yeah, I don't think that's right to do.
speed,
speed,
sped,
sped,
Oh, actually, I usually use speeded. Sped. You can use
sped,
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 okay. Okay. The balloons
sped across the sky as the point pilots
good.
tried to steer forward toward the
Target.
target on the field below. Each point pilot dropped a weight as close to the target as possible.
Okay.
Each weight distance from the target was made
Measured.
measured carefully before the judge announced the winner.
Okay.
How is the article others point of view different from Hugo?
Hugo's.
The article others describes the balloon race as a serious
Good.
contest.
Good.
The article other makes the balloon sound beautiful. The article other makes it seem as if the race isn't very interesting.
Okay, which one? Oh,
This
good,
one.
good.
Summit.
Yeah, good. Very good. Okay, let's read this.
The following text both tell about a basketball game between the
Riverside Jets,
and the
Somerville
Somerville
Pythons.
Pythons.
So two different teams. Okay.
This text is from the article in the Riverside.
Yeah, it's kind of magazine. Yeah, they're like that. It's like, what's that?
Speed.
sped,
Oh no, no,
Sped.
speed,
Speed.
speed,
Speed.
speed,
Sped. I usually use sped. Speedy.
gazette,
Gazette.
gazette,
Gazette.
gazette,
Gazette.
What's that?
Newspaper.
Yeah. Yeah, newspaper.
Newspaper.
Okay. Gazette. Okay, Riverside Gazette.
gazette,
Gazette.
gazette,
Gazette.
gazette,
Casper.
Gazette. Gazette.
Okay.
On Saturday, the Riverside
Jets.
Jets took their place and
Fulton.
basketball history from the opening
Shots.
They
Commanded.
commanded commanded
means they controlled.
the game. The
Somerville
Somerville
Pythons
Pythons struggled
Go.
to make a comeback after half time,
Good.
but there were no match for the force of nature that is the riverside chats.
Okay.
The riverside
Jet. Okay.
This text is from an article and the
Somerville
Somerville
Weekly. Weekly. Okay.
Weekly. The Somerville
Pythons
Pythons played the Riverside Jets on Saturday, putting up an amazing fight enough, even though the Jets had the home court.
Okay, means they play in the riverside. So the audience are most of our audience are from the riverside. So it's a home court. So home court means the river jet practice in that home court. Advantage because they play practice in the home court, so they are familiar with that place.
The Pythons were at their best after half time, housekeeping up at Tide story soccer
Score.
Tide score.
Tide score means that's score the same. Okay, 5-5, 6-6. Tide
Score for most of the third quarter.
Okay, that game has 4 quarters. Okay, it has 4 parts. Each part is a quarter.
The
Jets
Jets won the game, but the Pythons fighting
spirit. The mood. Okay.
Will be remembered.
Okay, let's name this jet. Jet is one kind of airplane. Yeah, that's jet. So that's jet. Okay, let's go.
Gazette.
Gazette. Newspaper.
Jet.
Okay, this kind of airplane. Jet. Okay, jet. They can fly very fast. Jet. Okay, let's read the question.
How is the
Somerville
newspapers point of view different from the Riverside newspapers? The
Somerville
newspaper tells more about what the Pythons did well,
Okay.
makes its